Hi folks, today we are talking about virtualization. So first understand what is virtualization. So virtualization is a key concept in cloud computing that allows a single physical machine to act like many separate machines. This technology helps increase efficiency, save costs and enable easier management of resources like computing power, storage and network. Let's explore what virtualization really means in easier language. So we can understand it by taking an analogy of an hotel. Imagine a hotel building with many rooms inside. Just like one building has multiple rooms for guests, one physical machine can create many virtual machines, VMs, where each VM work like a separate computer, even though they all share the same hardware. This concept helps maximize the use of physical resources by dividing them into smaller manageable parts. Think of a big server that splits into 3 or 4 smaller blocks, each acting independently. This allows different tasks on applications to run on separate VMs simultaneously without interfering with one another. This division improves resource utilization, isolation, and flexibility in managing computing workloads. Virtualization makes it possible to run multiple environments on a single physical system. We can understand it by basic animation concept. To help you visualize virtualization, imagine a big server smoothly dividing into smaller virtual machines. This simple animation shows how one physical device can host many VMs, each work independently. Now let's look at the type of virtualization. There are majorly 4 types of virtualization: compute, storage, network, and desktop. Where compute virtualization splits CPU power, storage virtualization pools device space, network virtualization manages connection, and desktop virtualization lets you run desktops remotely. Each type helps make cloud computing more flexible and efficient. Now, what is a hypervisor? A hypervisor is like a manager that runs the virtual machines on top of a physical hardware. There are majorly 2 types. Type 1 hypervisor runs directly on the hardware, offering better performance, while Type 2 hypervisors runs on top of an existing operating system, which is easier to set up but slightly less efficient. Both are essential for virtualization. Now let's look at key benefits. Virtualization saves money by letting many VMs share one server, cutting hardware costs. It boosts resources use and keeps different applications isolated so they don't affect each other. Plus, it supports deployment and new virtual machines can be created and launched quickly, making cloud computing more agile. So, the conclusion: what we have learned? We have learned that virtualization is core technology powering modern cloud computing. It allows maximizing resources, saving cost, and simplifying management. Understanding its types, the role of hypervisors, and key benefits can help you appreciate how cloud services run smoothly and efficiently behind the scenes. So, this was about virtualization. I'll see you guys in the next time. Until then, goodbye.